I've always been fascinated by science. From a little child, I was interested in space. I watched the moon landings, and never did I dream that I'd be someday working as a scientist. The Canadian Space Science Data Portal is a project that began a few years ago. And again, it's partially supported by the Canadian Space Agency, and most recently was selected as a pilot project by Cybera. And the idea is to bring all of the data sets that are out there in the space science world, bring them together and make them accessible through modern computer technology. The research we're doing is relevant in a number of ways. The biggest example I could give you is the reliance of modern society on satellite systems in space. They happen to be in a region of the magnetosphere that is very strongly affected by energetic particles. And so the ability to develop models that forecast what's likely to happen to these satellites is very important, especially in Canada. It's only by making the data accessible that you can really bring to bear all of the tools that you need to analyze space weather phenomena.
The space science community is really a global community. And as such, you have huge data sets that are geographically disparate. What we're looking at doing is putting together really simple to use access methods so that scientists can have easy access to the data in whatever way meets their scientific and technical needs at their site. We're actually finally seeing a point in time where technology is powerful enough to enable some of these real-world interactions, to enable and to really enhance some of these relationships that are already there. And let's face it, everything we achieve is the product of some relationship. Now we're at this point, technology no longer separates us, but it can bring us together, and that's the thing that's really exciting.
My excitement is really that it's opened up a whole series of opportunities. This is something we could only have done through the pilot project. We've also formed collaborations with UCLA and a virtual magnetospheric observatory project there. Again, that's something we would not have been able to do without the pilot project. So it's really driving scientific collaboration, and we're leading here. We're not behind other countries in this, so that's very exciting.